Okay, so here we go. First, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Dylan. My name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how you can increase the value of your company and your online presence with Google. There are three key factors that come into play here: content, content, backlinks, and citations. Now, start with the basics. Of course, every time you type something here into this Google search bar, these are considered keywords, and Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria or what people are searching for. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or the phrase being typed in here, and then categorizes those websites that best fit that search, and that's how you establish rank. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. So I know that you're a handyman working out of Raleigh or located in Raleigh. So I typed in handyman Raleigh, North Carolina. I did not see you on the first page of Google. I didn't actually see you at all. So we do, let's cover a few things. Of course, we got ads. Then we have the map area or the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is related to your Google business profile, the area of coverage that you're going to service, and citations. Citations are name, address, and phone number, anything that directly reflects your Google business profile. Getting yourself ranked in the map is important. It generates a lot of local traffic and it can create a lot of leads and become sales as well. Underneath the map is where the organic rank structure starts to take place through content and backlinks and the keywords that are within your website. So if you've ever wondered how are companies getting on the first page of Google, what's the trick behind this? So I kind of want to go over that a little bit with you so you understand it. Aside from Yelp and Angie that are advertisements, and Home Advisor that's an advertisement, or Better Business Bureau blog, you have an organic rank right here, Mr. Handyman of Western Wake County. He's number 5. So I did want to briefly take a look at your website. So we have, this is you here. Lots of pets right across the top. What's up? And then, of course, several pictures down below. It's beautiful work, by the way. Beautiful work, by the way. Yeah. So to show you what's going on behind your website, I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind closed doors and what the website looks internally and what's driving it. So I said backlinks are an important ranking factor. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website, and Google uses that to build trust in you, and it creates popularity. And then, of course, we have about 2 referring domains, other websites that are connected to you. It looks like you might have 3 keywords in there, and that is generating 0 traffic. So let's take a look at another factor. Handyman, I did number 5 here. So of course he covers Wake County, so it's going to be very broad. I put him into the same tool. You see he's on the first page in the spot for 209,000 backlinks, 7,000 referring domains, 88,000 keywords, generating 270,000 views a month to his website. But that is because he's covering Wake County, so it is everything within Wake County. Now you could also, scale that to a different town, perhaps Handyman Cary. So Mr. Handyman Cary here, I checked out Handyman Cary. Give me 1 second. So Handyman Cary, I just had to get my thoughts together here. I thought I had something else. Handyman Cary, when you come on down, we have Deeks Handyman Service. So let's check him out. He's number 4. This is his website. Plugged him into the same tool, deekshandyman.com. He's got 23 backlinks, 10 referring domains, 50 keywords, generating 101 views a month. Now he's right there on the first page as well. And he's not nearly as large over here as Mr. Wake is. Obviously, he's covering the entire Wake County, so there's lots of cities and towns within there that he's covering. But you could be just as successful depending on what you're targeting. So, 23 backlinks here, you can have all these backlinks and then some. So you can have his backlinks and additional. He's got 23, grab yourself 75. He's got 50 keywords, depending on what area you want to cover. Maybe you want 100 and 150 keywords. So to show you how this kind of works a little bit better, this would be the search volume per month that a particular keyword is searched and the phrase as soon as it comes up. Okay, so Handyman Cary, North Carolina, search 250 times a month. Handyman Cary, 90 times a month. Handyman Services Cary, 50 times a month. Thermofoil cabinet repair near me, 50 times or 100 times a month. I mean, you can start to get the idea here. Home repair Cary, 10. Not so many people search for that, but they are doing a lot of searching for thermofoil cabinet doors, 200 times. What else do we have? Handyman, North Carolina, 10. Handyman Corner, 90. Well, there's a lot of things going on here. Anyway, the point of this is to show you that these keywords collectively will add together to a lot of exposure. So with the right content and the right keywords and a Google Business Profile and everything built into your website, you could quickly start to generate a lot more leads, a lot more clients, move yourself up onto the first page. Google will recognize you. Having a website that's falling short with the content and the keywords is kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody's ever going to see it. So if you're wondering, well, I have a website, but I'm really not getting a lot of traffic, and I thought I would get more calls from it. It's really important to understand having a well-built site with everything collectively coming together to generate that exposure for you is what's going to increase your rank and move you to the first page. So with that being said, I'm hoping that's a little more insightful for you. If you would have any questions or comments, I would be more than happy to work with you. Thank you and have a nice day.